Therapeutic Riding Inc. today, and we are literally helping take care of stables and changing the bedding, and we're painting different rooms. We're outside scraping. We had hoped to paint, but the weather's not quite cooperating, so we might come back out here another day and help paint. We're pinning off bridles and bits and just lots of different stuff out here that you can imagine on a horse farm.
It's fun, especially with me being new. I haven't gotten to really meet everybody, so this is kind of like a good way for everybody to come together. And I've seen some of the boys' basketball team, some of the football boys, and some of the volleyball girls are coming later. So definitely, we need people who at our game showing us some support, because we definitely work for this community. We support this community in whatever they need. So I would definitely hope to see everybody